This is Module 2, Lesson 11 homework. So in this lesson, we're doing exactly what we did yesterday, but we're extending our factors out to the hundredths. So yesterday, we thought in order to take a decimal out to the tenths, to pretend like it was a whole number to be able to multiply, we would multiply it by 10 and then just make sure to divide our answer by 10 at the end. So today, since we're talking about hundredths, we are going to think that we're multiplying this by 100 so that, and then we would not forget to divide it by 100 at the end. So I'll go ahead and go through that. We've also been working on using estimations for reasonability to make sure that we don't forget to either divide by 100 or 10 at the end, and I'll kind of show how that works out. So we're going to estimate 2 and 42 hundredths to 2. We're going to estimate 12 to 10. 2 times 10, 2 times 10 is 20, not 10. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and do the standard algorithm. It also says to draw an area model on a separate sheet if that helps you. Some students really grasp this concept when drawing out area models, so if that helps them better than the standard algorithm, by all means do that. So for the standard algorithm, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, place value holder 2, 4, 2. Okay, now we're going to add them together, 4, 10, 9, and 2. Now, what we're saying is that because we thought, oh, we're just going to multiply this by 100 here and forget that we have that decimal there, we're going to say, let's divide this by 100 over here. So we were right, and we got the same answer they did. Now we're going to divide it by 100, which gives us 29 and 4 tenths, so 29 and 4 hundredths, not 4 tenths. So down here, they're asking you to do the same thing, but they want you to kind of fill in those bubbles. So you would have to say, well, think 4 and 13 hundredths times 100. And then here, you're going to have to think whatever your product is divided by 100 equals whatever that is divided by 100. And they would work out the standard algorithm here, and they're more than welcome to use an area model to do that. Up here it also says solve using the standard algorithm. If it works out better for your student to use an area model, then please do so. Now when we go down to number 3, it says use the whole number product and place value reasoning to place the decimal point in the second product. Explain how you know. Well, if we look at letter A, we have the first equation of 36 times 134 is 4,824. Then, if 36 times 1 and 34 hundredths, what would we get? Well, I know that we would get 48 and 24 hundredths. I know this because the factor of 1 and 34 hundredths is 100 times smaller than 134, making the product 100 times smaller. And that's how you would answer a question like that. We know that this answer is going to be 100 times smaller than this one because this factor is 100 times smaller than this one. And then on the back, we just have some more to do with money and more multiplication out into the hundredths. And with money, it kind of relates really well. So that's lesson 11.